I've seen this a lot lately, so let me show you the fix that actually worked. If you're looking to switch your phone number from Bouygues to Orange, here is a simple guide to help you through the process. Step 1. Request your real code. To start the porting process, you need to obtain a real relevant identity retro code. You can get this code by calling 3179 from your Bouygues mobile. Step 2. Choose your Orange plan. Visit the Orange website or a local store to select the plan that suits your needs. Make sure to have your real code handy when you make your choice. Step 3. Complete the porting requests. Once you've chosen your plan, you'll need to fill out a porting request form. This can usually be done online or at the store. Enter your real code and personal details accurately. Step 4. Wait for confirmation. After submitting your request, you will receive a confirmation from Orange. The porting process typically takes 1 business day, but it can vary. Keep an eye on your email or SMS for updates. Step 5. Activate your new SIM. Once your number has been successfully ported, you'll receive a new SIM card from Orange. Insert it into your phone and follow the activation instructions. If you encounter issues, ensure your phone is unlocked. Switching your number can be a smooth process if you follow these steps. Good luck with your new Orange service.